so I'm going on a jet ski today. Hopefully I'll have a bit of fun. I'm going to see how quick I'll go, but I'm not going to go too quick because I'm a little bit chicken shit. Excuse the language. Coming off, I don't like coming off on water. I've come off on water before and it bloody hurts. I think I was coming off on it was actually a sea biscuit. My old man, he was towing me on the sea biscuit, and he was going around circles, and when you go around circles you get a lot more g-force, and I came off. I skimmed the water 2-3 times and then it was like hitting a brick wall. It hurt like hell. I don't want that happening on a jet ski, especially when it's not my jet ski. I just want to have a little bit of fun and see how it goes, and yeah. Yeah, the other day I was on the jet ski, and oh man, that jet ski was a lot of fun. I was doing 108 kilometers an hour. That is scary, man. You don't want to come off at 108 kilometers an hour on water. That would hurt. But I should have put some strapping or something like that. Just even like a braid line on my GoPro, and I should have had it on my head instead of on my chest. All you can see is the steering wheel. But yeah, I'll keep it short, because it's not really that exciting. You're seeing the steering wheel and a little bit of the water and things like that. I really should have had it on my head. Maybe should have had a helmet with a floaty or something like that on it. So, this day of my life, and if you know, I wanna go with you, and if you stay, let's duck that up.